In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down element in Bubble.io. Bubble.io is a powerful platform that allows you to create applications without needing to dive deep into coding. Understanding how to add drop-down elements is crucial for enhancing user interaction and providing intuitive navigation through your app. So, let's get started. First, head over to Bubble.io. Open your web browser and navigate to the Bubble.io homepage. Once you are on the site, you'll notice the login option at the top right corner. Click Log In to access your account. If you haven't already logged in, you can continue by clicking Continue with Google, which is a quick and easy way to authenticate using your Google account. After logging into your Bubble account, you'll see your projects displayed. Choose the project you'd like to work on by clicking on it. Your project will open to the dashboard where you can see your workspace with various design options and tools available on Bubble.io. Now we want to incorporate the drop-down element into your project. For this, navigate through the Design tab, where you can search for different elements. Use the search function to find drop-down in the Elements panel. Once you've found it, click on it and decide where you want it positioned on your screen by clicking on the desired area. When you place the drop-down on your design, you'll have options to customize it. For simplicity, choose static choices for this drop-down, which means you will manually input the list of options users can select from. If your project requires dynamic choices, Bubble.io provides the flexibility to incorporate them later. Next, you need to add the options for your drop-down. Click to add each option that you want to appear in the list. After adding all your options, you can hit play in the toolbar to preview how your drop-down will look and function on the actual app interface. Choose an option by clicking on the drop-down menu. This is a great way to see your work in action and ensure that everything is functioning smoothly. If it's your first time using Bubble, you will find the platform quite user-friendly, with lots of room for experimenting and growing your design skills without needing to write code from scratch. That's it, you've successfully added a drop-down element to your Bubble.io project. This adds a professional touch and extra usability to your applications, making them more interactive and user-friendly. Thank you for following along, and happy building with Bubble.io.